Hello, in front of me I've got MOTOROLA Moto G72. In this video I'll show you how to add different types of cards to Google Wallet. In the beginning, let's go to Wallet, tap Add to Wallet, and focus on Transit Pass, Loyalty and Gift Card. Firstly, let's go to Transit Pass and select Transit Pass you would like to add. You'll be redirected to a website where you have to finish the inside form. Next, let's select Loyalty and select loyalty card you would like to add, for example, Payback Poland. Now you can scan your card or enter member ID manually, select Add to Wallet, and it's done. In the end, you can select Gift Card, simply select Shop, enter card number, PIN balance, your notes, and select Add to Wallet. All of your cards will appear on the homepage of Google Wallet. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.